Alright guys, welcome back to the hobby farm. Finally got this thing to run. So I didn't do anything to it. I just come out here and the next day and just was easy with it and it started up. But it doesn't sound very good. Let's see if I can get it started for you guys. Just hold on 1 second. Sounds like it's only running on 3 cylinders, but I'm gonna have to look into it. It spews oil everywhere out of the top of the head, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off again. It smokes badly, but yeah, so it's running. Not running good, but it's running. And no more fires today. But I think it was just overly flooded last night, and it may have just sparked all the way through the chamber and come out the carburetor or something like that. But yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to keep this tractor or not. It might not be worth the money in rebuilding the motor, because I think it's probably what it's going to need. But like I said, it was free. I do have 2 good tractors now. I don't know if I really need a 3rd one. So probably will sell this one or just get rid of it. Give it to somebody else. I don't know. Somebody that needs a tractor. But anyways, today we are going to get this brooder box cut down. It's just a pain to lean over and even try to catch the chickens. So what we're gonna do is cut it down maybe a foot, you know, probably down about right here. Reinforce it, put the lids back on, and that'll be the project for today. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this brooder. Like I said, I'll pull a couple hinges off, and then we'll cut it down probably about right here. Just like I said, so it's easier to get down in there and grab the little chicklets and maneuver them around, because right now it's too hard for my wife to get, you know, reach down in there. So we'll make it a little easier. So let's get at that. and run out of power. Almost, Billy Bob. All right, guys, got this thing finished up. We took about a foot off. This is a lot better. You know, be able to reach the chickens real easy. But so that's another project down. Move this thing back over there. It's actually supposed to be outside, so I have more room in the garage. But for right now, I'll just move it back over there. And hopefully in the next week or so, I can get that wood burner going, because I am so tired of using that turbo heater. Because it's just, it smells so bad in here. I mean, I go in the house and everybody's like, ew, you smell like diesel fuel. Well, but you gotta have heat. So hopefully in the next week or so, I'll get that up. But yeah, so another project down. Tractor's running. Not very good, but it's running. So the next thing we're gonna do is probably really concentrate on that chicken coop move. I think we're just gonna move that chicken coop instead of building a new one for right now, because that's what we have and we don't really feel like spending any money. But because it's gonna be like 300 bucks or more to build another chicken coop to walk in and stuff like that. But so we're gonna utilize that one. We're just gonna make a bigger pen for the chickens. So, but it's gotta dry up a little bit for us to do any of that work. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video, and give me a like, thumbs up, please subscribe, and leave a comment if you want. I'll catch you guys later.